Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos on everything marine electronics related. To replace a Northstar NS100 mic cord, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver, medium flathead screwdriver, channel locks, and marine grade sealant. With the handset facing away from you, remove the 6 screws from the back and place to the side. With a flathead screwdriver, gently and evenly pry along the seam. Once the rear case is loose, gently lift the back case off the mic body. Carefully disconnect the 2-pin connector. Disconnect the 2-pin connector and 10-pin connector. Gently pry the circuit board upward to loosen, tilting the board. Disconnect the 2-pin connector for the speaker and set the circuit board aside. For the cable entry, you will need to remove the adhesive around the cable strain relief. This can be done with a small flathead and needle nose pliers. Be careful not to damage the mic body or speaker. Remove the insert holding the strain relief in place. Gently pull the strain relief away from the mic body. Once done, the cable is free to be discarded. Insert the new cable. Place the insert between the cap in the strain relief and mic body. Firmly tug the strain relief to ensure a snug fit. Locate the internal mic circuit board. Orientate the board so that the LCD is facing down toward the mic body. Gently place the top of the board into the top of the mic body, leaving enough space to access the 2-pin connector. Connect both the 2-pin and 10-pin connectors. Apply a slight amount of pressure to the top of the circuit board while pressing down and aligning the screw holes in the board. Apply the marine grade sealant around the U insert and on top of the strain relief. Orientate the DSC cover so that the arrow is pointing towards the top of the mic body, making sure the spring arm stays in the upward position. Reinstall the 6 screws on the back of the mic body. You can now enjoy your Northstar NS100 mic.